Meaning of Elmer Bernstein.
Elmer Bernstein.
Elmer Bernstein.
Elmer Bernstein.
Elmer Bernstein. Elmer Bernstein was an American composer and conductor, best known for his film scores. He composed music for some of the most iconic films, including The Magnificent Seven, To Kill a Mockingbird, and Ghostbusters. He won an Academy Award for Best Original Score for Thoroughly Modern Millie, and received 14 other Academy Award nominations throughout his career. His music is recognizable for its sweeping melodies and lush orchestral arrangements, and his influence on film music continues to be felt today. Overall, Elmer Bernstein is regarded as one of the greatest film composers of all time.